children, did you hear the song? Jingle bell, jingle bell. Yes. When do you hear this song? Christmas time. Yes. It's Merry Christmas. Today is Christmas. And who comes to give you gifts on Christmas Day? What is this? Santa Claus. We all wait for Santa Claus to come and give us the gifts, chocolates and candies. So we all hung our stockings so that the Santa Claus will come and put the gifts in our bags. And what do you do on Christmas Day? There's a Christmas tree. We decorate a Christmas tree with bells, balls, stars, Christmas red to put in front of our house. We also put the bells, shiny bells on Christmas Day. And what do Mama cook? Mama cook delicious food to eat, na? Yummy cakes, puddings, pastries. So we all wait for the Christmas. Today is Christmas. Do you know why do we celebrate Christmas? Let's learn why do we celebrate Christmas.
Hello kids, good morning. Welcome to our new session. In this session, I'm going to tell you something about Christmas. It's Christmas time, isn't it? Do you know when we celebrate Christmas? Yes, on 25th December. It is the birth of Jesus Christ. Now I'll tell you the wonderful story of Jesus Christ, how he was born and how the people were delighted by his birth. Let's see. The Christmas story. The story goes back 2000 years ago and tells us about a miracle that happened in the ancient lands. The story revolves around the husband and wife and ultimately becomes a story of mother and child. Long ago, in a small town called Nazareth, lived a young Jewish woman named Mary. Mary was very kind to others and loved God very much. There was an angel who came to meet Mary and tell her, God has been very kind to you. You will be soon give birth to a Holy Spirit and will name him Jesus. He would be the Son of God. Mary was supposed to marry a good man named Joseph. The angel went to Joseph and told him, Don't worry, God has selected Mary to give birth to a Holy Spirit, Jesus. You will be his father, and asked him to marry Mary. Joseph and Mary got married, and the place they lived was a part of Roman Empire. The Roman Emperor Augustus wanted to count all the people living in his empire to make sure they all paid taxes. He then ordered everyone to return to the town they originally came from. So Joseph had to take Mary to his town of Bethlehem to register in census. Bethlehem was far away, 70 miles away from Nazareth. Joseph finally found a small donkey and put Mary on the donkey. The journey was very tiring for Mary because she was going to have a baby soon. When they reached the town, all the hotels were full and there was nowhere that they could stay. Finally, a man felt bad for them and gave them a place to stay. When Mary and Joseph came to the place, they saw that it was a small barn where animals were kept. There were donkeys, cows, and some hens laying around. Mary and Joseph were thankful that they at least had a place to lie down. It was warm and there was plenty of hay to lay on. That night, an exciting, wonderful things happened. Big star shining in the sky. Mary and Joseph had a baby, Jesus, the creator of the whole world, the King of the kings, and the one who would save the world. Mary and Joseph were so glad to have this special baby join the family. There was no crib, so they laid the baby in the manger. It was full of fresh hay and made it comfortable for the baby. Shepherds heard the news and came there with their sheep to see the baby. Kings traveled from faraway land carrying gifts for the baby. After his birth, many angels appeared. They lit up the sky. They began singing.
Merry Christmas, everyone. On the eve of Christmas, I am here with two craft activities. First, we shall make a Santa face. Let's make a Santa face. So first, we'll make a Santa. For making Santa, we'll need a red color chart paper, a white color chart paper, scissor, pencil, eraser, Fevicol, and we will need a cream color. You can either use a watercolor or you can use a crayon. So let's get started. White chart paper, we will cut a medium size circle, one big size circle like this. We'll cut a small circle. We'll cut a rectangle strip like this, and then we will cut a drop shape from the white color chart paper. Now we will take the big circle and fold it in half like this, and with the help of the pencil you will draw wavy lines like this, as if we draw when we make a cloud. And similarly you will draw it for the rectangle piece also. You will draw our wavy lines like this, and then with the help of the scissors you will cut it. So after cutting the circle, we'll get something like this, and the rectangle will get a strip like this. Now we will take the small or the medium circle and the drop which we had cut from the white paper. Now we will color these both parts in cream color or say skin color, whatever is available to you. So after coloring the medium circle, it will be seen like this, and the drop shape will be seen like this. Now we have also cut this small circle, white circle. This we have to keep like this only. Now we will cut a triangle like this, having a right angle from the red color paper. So now all the parts are ready. Now let's make the Santa. So now we'll take the circle which we have colored. Then we'll take the semicircle with the cloud shape. We will apply Fevicol or Fevistick, whatever is available to you, on one part of the medium size circle, and then we'll apply this portion over here like this. Then we will take the triangle which we have made and we'll apply here like this. We'll stick this triangle like this. Then we will take the rectangle strip which we have cut and we'll stick like this on the red portion. Like this. Now we shall stick the nose. This we have made the nose of Santa. So we'll stick it like this. After sticking this, we will fold this triangle like this. And here's the cap ready of Santa. Now, do you remember the circle which we have cut? Yes, the small circle. We will apply Fevicol on it, and then we will stick this small circle at the tip of the triangle. Now, something is missing. Yes or no? We'll take a marker and we'll make eyes of Santa. Like this. You will draw a semicircle like this or a full circle, and then we'll color it in black. Kids, now our Santa face is ready. Hope you all enjoyed doing this. Now we shall make this beautiful Christmas tree. Let's start with the Christmas tree. So now we will make a Christmas tree. Let's see what material is required to make a Christmas tree. Christmas tree, we will need a green color chart paper, a glitter paper, whatever color you want you can take. I have taken golden. A scale, Fevicol, eraser, scissors, pencil, punch machine, some decorative material. I have taken golden beads. Whatever is available at home you can take. Now we will need a straw. I had a simple plain straw. I had colored it in red and then I have decorated with white spots. You can use your imagination to make it innovative. Now let's start with the activity. Green chart paper, we will cut a triangle like this and we'll cut a star from the golden sheet. Now let's begin with the activity. Now you will fold the triangle like this. Then you will turn it. Then you will fold it like this. And you will repeat this till the tip of the triangle. So like this you will keep on folding it till the tip of the triangle. Like this. Yes. Now you will keep this much portion open. Now you will take the punch machine and you will place it inside like this, and you will do a punch and make a hole over here. With the pencil, if you want, you can mark here like this, and you will use the punch machine and do a hole, make a hole over here. So, we are ready with the hole over here. Now we will insert this straw inside this hole like this. So after inserting the straw, you will see something like this. Now we will take the star which we have cut and we will stick here like this. We will stick the star which we have kept ready like this on the Christmas tree. Now we have kept some golden beads ready. We will apply Fevicol like this at different places randomly. There is no specific pattern for this. And then we'll stick these beads like this. Make sure you give them proper time to dry. So kids, now the Christmas tree will look like this. Isn't it looking beautiful? I hope you enjoyed making Christmas tree.
loves to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Merry Christmas to all our listeners, schools and colleges. So before I begin on this video and share with you the idea of the Christmas activity, let me explain my heart full of greeting to all.
Jesus Christ was born on December 25th in a stable home in the city of Bethlehem in Palestine, south of Jerusalem. His mother's name is Mary and his father was a carpenter named Joseph. Jesus Christ was the ideal symbol of truth, love, sacrifice and humanity. Jesus opposed the ritual and hypocrisy of the time.
Jesus opposed the ritual and hypocrisy of the time, so the king accused him of treason. When Jesus was only 33 years old, he was crucified. It is believed that he revived 3 days after the crucifixion. This is the reason people began to consider him as God. Of course, Jesus Christ is not among us, but his teachings are immortal.
Christmas tree. Christmas trees play a very important role in the culture of Christians and considered as a symbol of a life. Christmas festival is a part of decorating the Christmas tree. Christmas tree is decorated with the lights, candles, gifts, toffee and various toys. Christmas tree is an evergreen fir or a pine tree.
On this auspicious day, I am going to say a few lines on Santa Claus. Santa is also known as Father Christmas. Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle or simply Santa is a legendary character originating in Western culture who brings gifts on the Christmas Eve to children. So we both wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
The practicing of the giving gift at Christmas is very important, especially young child. They are most interested in this Christmas party. Happy Christmas!
Christmas greetings are sent to family members and relatives. Traditional letters include and New Year greetings.
Christmas bells. Bells are rung during Christmas to proclaim the arrival of the season and to announce the birth of Jesus. The ringing of bells began to be used in the Christmas season. Merry Christmas!
A snowman is a statue of a person which is made by snow. Snowman look more like a person by using hat, scarf, button and carrot. The snowman make have fun and be creative. The important thing is to make snowman be creative and have a fun. All a Merry Christmas.
Hey children, look at this! What is this? It's a Santa's reindeer being pulled by 9 little reindeers. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little reindeer, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little reindeer, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little reindeer. Do you know the names of all these reindeer? There is a Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner and Blitzen. Hey, wait a minute. That's only 8 reindeer. Who is the last one? Yeah, it's easy. It's Rudolph. Wish you all Merry Christmas. Have fun.
Do you know who comes on Christmas night? Yes, it's Santa. He comes with different and exciting gifts for kids. Come, let's see.
Welcome back, children. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping well. As we know, on the 25th December, it's a Christmas Day. Today, we are going to show you how it's been celebrated and the fun you will get to see in a small kit which we teachers have prepared for all of you. Christmas is an annual festival of the birth of Jesus Christ, with the angels proclaiming this to shepherds on a Christmas day. And the interesting part of this celebration is where Santa Claus comes with the bell-stocking bag filled with the toys, chocolates, gifts and many more things to surprise the children. Children, here you can see the crib where the Mother Mary gave a birth to a Jesus Christ in a cow shade. The shepherds and the angels spreads the news to the entire village that the Jesus Christ have been born. So children, now here we will be showing you the fun part of the celebration of Christmas, how the Santa comes and how he surprised the children, giving them gifts, chocolates and many more things. So let's watch together how Christmas is celebrated and how the Santa visits our house and he do give us some gifts, chocolates and all. So let's start now. Love this kit, and this is the way Christmas has been celebrated. Merry Christmas! Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. Have you liked Santa Claus? Okay, let's sing with us Christmas song. Jingle bell, dashing through the snow in one horse open sleigh. Over fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells and bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it's to ride and sing same song tonight. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it's to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it's
Christmas and a Happy